Hi YouTube, hi friends. I got a Melt Cosmetics bundle, mystery bundle. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unpackage this bitch. And I'm like so fucking excited. I've never gotten any Melt Cosmetics products ever before. This is my first time. I'm excited. But if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Nikki. I swear a lot. I love colorful makeup. I have a Barbie series going on my channel. If these are things that you'd be okay with, that you would enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, hate comment, dislike, whatever. But let's get into this son of a bitch. I have my scissors that I think I had in elementary school, possibly. I don't know. I also have my heater going on because it is cold and it's like blizzardy and I hate it. Okay, I am so excited. I am so excited. Oh my god. I just took it all out of the box and I'm like already shitting myself. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna start here. These are the brushes. I also am like a huge lover of bubble wrap, so the amount of bubble wrap that is here is like making my life. Oh my god. These are so freaking pretty. Oh my god. And there's like a little decal on them. I'm gonna put in a clip of like everything zoomed in. But like, do you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so there was like Black Friday bundles or whatever. And then there was these ones. There was two more that came after. And I looked on their Instagram when they posted it and they said these are different than those. These are like heavy duty too. Oh my god. Do you hear that noise? Oh my god. But these are all the brushes. Oh my god. So I got a pack of 7 different brushes. There's 2 face ones and 5 eye brushes. And they're fucking insane and probably will never be used because they're too fucking pretty. Oh my god. Okay, there's already something that I can tell that I'm gonna love because I'm a huge cow lover. Like, I'm cow obsessed. Cow's my favorite, like, pattern, if you want to say. So whatever this is, I'm excited. But there's like a good amount of products in here too. And there's a big palette right here. So we're gonna go in with the little stuff. Oh my god, I love bubble wrap. So the first 2 things that I'm pulling out right now are the Perfectionist Lip Ultra Precision pencils in, I don't know Spanish, and I know that these are in Spanish, so I'm not gonna try and butcher them, so I will put them up on the screen because I feel like me butchering them would just be freaking disrespectful as shit. But I'm gonna open these bad boys up. Also, these smell like something from my childhood and I can't place it. It was like at school. But there's like little velvet, can you see that? Will it allow it? There's like the inside of this packaging is fucking velvet. Okay. These are so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, these are what they look like. They do smell like normal colored pencils though. That's probably what the smell of my childhood is that I'm thinking. But oh my god. It literally flew across like half of my fucking room. Okay, next thing out of this bag of goodies is this gel liner, the Ultra Matte Gel Liner. Ooh. I don't use eyeliner, but look at that. One thing about me is that I can't resist a mystery box. I can't. It just, I see it, I have to get it. This is the Liquid Set Lipstick in shade B Movie. Don't ever watch the B Movie. That is a fucked up movie. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. The packaging. Holy shit. That is so fucking pretty, and I'm going to wear that to Christmas and piss off everybody by wearing like a really hot fucking pink lipstick. Oh my god. Next we have this cream blush light in the shade Lynx. It says you can put it on the face, lips, and eyes. Ooh. Oh my god. That's what that looks like. Next, ooh, this is heavy. Digital liquid highlight, sex foil in peaches and cream. Face, body. I love the name of it. It reminds me of NARS, to be quite honest. That bitch. Holy shit. Now for the cow print thing, because it... Oh, it's not cow print! Fucking A. I really thought through the packaging that it was cow print, but obviously I'm blind as shit. Some motherfucker needs to make a cow print thing. This is a bronzer contour. It's the stack. Oh my god. These are the ones that come apart that I need to learn how to... There we are. Like that. Some of these are gonna be, none of these are in my shade. And now to the palette that's in pink bubble wrap. This is, I think, the Gemini 2. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't even want to touch it. I love like the little imprint on it. Oh my god. That's just stunning. I can't wait to use this. I am so happy with this. I'm so happy with everything that I got, even though I was deceived by my own self with the cow print thing when it wasn't cow print. Again, brands need to get on the fucking cow print thing because I will buy all of it. But yeah, I'm so excited to use all of this.